Hi, in this video, we will learn about three different character functions which can help us in converting a particular text. These functions are upper, lower, and proper. So all these three functions can convert our string in format. If it is lower, then it will convert it to the upper formats. So let us start from the upper. We have a text string which starts with the capital letter and all are in a small letter. So now if I will use upper, it will ask text which text to create an upper. So putting this text, now we can see that all text has been converted into the uppercase. Using the second function, that is lower, now it converted everything in lower. Now everything was in lower except the initial D. Now also has been converted to the lower. Talking about the third function is proper. So proper, whenever you will use proper, every text which starts with a smaller letter will convert it in upper letter. Now you can see in this example that we have this element which was already in the capital letter starts with, and the second was starting with a smaller case. So now this smaller case P has been converted to capital letter. So if let's suppose that we will change one more element, we can see this tree has been converted to capital. T has been converted to capital. So whatever text string it has, every initial element for every word will convert it to capital by using this proper function. Thank you for watching.